We're here at County Highway 3 in Shelby County performing a cold-in-place recycling project. It is the first project for Shelby County. We have approximately 4 miles of full-depth asphalt, and we'll do a pre-mill of 1.5 inches of 4-inch of CIR. On top of this, they're going to have 1.5 inches of leveling binder, along with LJS, longitudinal joint sealant, and 1.5 inches of surface. So with that profile, this road should be here without any significant maintenance for 25 to 30 years.
This is a very busy road, very touristy area, or has a lot of tourist attractions being right next to the lake. It's important to keep that open for the local community. We want to make sure that the farmers are able to continue to utilize the road, and this whole area is built upon tourism and the farming industry, and keeping that open so that they can continue working, doing their business is important for sure to this area. CIR for the subbase just made sense because I did drop the overall project cost, and I know that the entire base is going to be in a much better condition than if I were just doing Class D patching and likely going to miss some longitudinal or transverse cracks in there. Just, we hit it all. Everything is completely restored.
Cold-in-place recycling has been around for many years. However, the development of technology has matched up with the theory of the in-situ recycling process. We have seen massive growth on the county and state level, and recently at the federal level. The reasoning for this is, one, the pricing of brand new material, the incentivized CO2 removal by keeping everything in place is also a factor, and we're seeing a change in certain freeze-thaw cycles, and this is a better wearing pattern for a flexible base than a rigid surface, so it's going to mitigate any energy of reflective cracking through a freeze-thaw cycle.
I do see this continue to be a common approach just because of the economics of it. It's what made sense. We can rejuvenate the road, we can use what's here, and we can top it with different kinds of surfaces. We can resurface it with an oil and chip, we can resurface it with a Cape Seal, and I know that after it's all said and done, it's going to be a good product, and it's going to be the most economical approach that we could possibly do with spending less.
Dunn Company has been a leader in the process of cold-in-place recycling throughout the Midwest and North America. What we have seen is the process grow through the last 15 years because of its effectiveness and its success.